Well, hello there, neighbor. Thanks for watching this video. Who am I? That's a good equestrian. I'm SB Mitch. You can saddle up, give me a follow on Twitter, and then quit stalling and give the channel a subscribe if you really want to, but you don't have to. Hi, pals. Okay, I can do this. Horse puns! Hey, welcome to Beater Box Friday. This is a series on the channel that old people watch this channel for, basically. Every Friday I open up a mystery beater box, usually from Supremacy, just like where this one is from. You may also notice that the next few weeks' boxes are very low cost. That's because starting on February 1st, you can go to sbmitch.com and be a part of $50 February. Now what is that? It's basically I'll be releasing shoes every day for $50 or under on the website. And it's not gonna be anything crazy, so don't get all worked up about it, but it's a good chance for you to get a cheap pair of shoes if you really want to. Back to the box now. This box costs $425 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $475. Hey, Clarence. It's the counter. Its name is Clarence. Counters, you know what they do, so I'm not going to explain. But stick around until the end of the video because we show you how much the box is worth on the secondary market versus how much I paid. Because everyone is super interested in knowing what I do with my money. You weirdos. Just kidding, it's pot calling the kettle black because I'm weird. Let's open the box. This price range of box is usually really good, and at the same time, there's always not really anything crazy in it. Are you... Okay. Let me explain my reaction. There's a pretty good chance that all the pairs in this box are grade school, which means there's a lot of shoes in here, so I'm gonna have to blow through them pretty quick. So let's just jump into it. First pair. 6 Youth Jordan 11 Retro Low BG. No, it's not. This is a replacement box on a size 6 Youth. These are the Anthracite Jordan 9s. They are a 6 Youth. It's a youth pair. I mean, they're in good shape, but most kids' shoes are usually close to dead stock anyway. They have replacement insoles, though, on top of the regular insole. So that's gross. There is a normal Jordan insole here. There's your first shoe out. 6 Youth. Jordan 9 Anthracite. Oh boy. SBMitch.com is where you can find those. 5.5 Youth. Jordan 11 Retro Low BG. That is not what these are. Oh, it's not low. It's just a Retro BG. So is this the actual box? We got a pair of 72 and 10 grade school Jordans. This is a size, as I said, 5.5 Youth. It's a little bit of an older pair, so there is some discoloration on the outsole. But again, not too much wear. They just need a really good cleanup. I mean, you can see all the scuffs on the midsole here. It does have the shoe tree, but there is insole wear, so that's okay. Not a bad shoe. I mean, if you're gonna get a smaller pair of shoes, this is one of the better ones to get. There you go. 5.5 Youth, 72 and 10s. Oh boy, there's a lot. I think these are all grade school too. 5.5 Youth Jordan 11 Retro Low BG. Pair of Concord Lows. These are significantly worn. These need a really good cleanup. There's a lot of dirt and stuff on the upper, and the outsoles are heavily worn, but we'll clean them up and they'll be good to go. There's another pair. 5.5 Youth Concord Lows. This is hilarious. 5.5 Youth Jordan 9 Retro BG. I think these are the Los Angeles ones. I could be wrong. I'm not 100% sure. There you go. You got leather. You got suede. These are in okay shape. Insole's in good shape. Outsole not much wear. So just another small size. 5.5 Youth Jordan 9. I think Los Angeles. I'm not 100% sure. 6 Youth Jordan 12 Retro GG. I want to say these are wolf gray. These are worn too. Outsole's in pretty good shape. Just need to wash the uppers and also wash the laces. Insole's in good shape. Most of a Jumpman hanging out in there. And there are shoe trees. There you go. 6 Youth. Jordan 12. Wolf gray, I think. Is that what it says on the box? Yeah, wolf gray. Cool. Jordan 9. 5.5 Youth. I recognize this one. Got a pair of Statue 9s. This is a just gold speckled midsole on an all white Jordan upper with some black tongue black liner, or no, the liner is actually gold too. I mean, these are cool. It's a 5.5 Youth. Worn, not beat up though, so there you go. 5.5 youth. 5.5 youth. Jordan 9 Retro BG. Oof, these need help. These need washed big time. I think this is the Kobe Jordan 9. Patent leather, purple, and the yellow for the Lakers, obviously. Outsole's in pretty good shape. It's got shoe trees. There's just some stains on here I gotta take care of with Reshoevn8er. So these will be a little bit of a project, but they'll clean up and they'll be available Friday. There you go. 5.5 youth. Jordan 9 Kobe. I'm talking too much. I need to sip some water. Bazinga! 5.5 youth Jordan 10 Retro 30th BG. Pair of Lady Liberties. These are probably the lightest worn of all the shoes we've pulled out so far. Outsoles are in good shape. Not much creasing, not much like overall signs of wear. Looks like the insole's in good shape too. Does have shoe trees again, but it's a 10. 10s are kind of hit or miss. So Lady Liberty 10s in a size 5.5 youth. Next pair out. There's so many boxes. There's still 5 more in here. 6 youth Jordan 5 Retro Low. These are very lightly worn as well. I think these are the alternate Jordan 5 lows. Some insole wear. Pretty decent shape overall. The outsoles are in really good shape. I mean, they don't look worn very much at all. There are lace locks on both shoes. There's been a Jordan sticker in there too, so can't complain about that. There you go. What is this, 6 youth? 6 youth. Okay, wow. 6 youth Jordan 12 Retro BG. I think these are just Gym Red 12s. There's a Forever 21 tag in here. That's weird. A little bit of outsole discoloration, but 12s, they discolor so easily. I don't know why. Insole's in good shape. Got a Jumpman in there. The outsole is in pretty decent shape. Just needs a cleanup too. These are slick. It's a nice OG looking colorway. So 6 youth, not a bad size. Jordan 12, Gym Reds. Pair of 6 youth Jordan 5 Retro BG. Worn again. This is a pair of the pre-grape Jordan 5s. I mean, some people call them Charlotte Hornets. Some people call them pre-grape. I mean, I don't really know the official name on these. I just go by what I know from pairs I've gotten before, because I've gotten these before and they were called pre-grape on goat. So that's what I went with. But you can see the outsole's in good shape. Just a little bit of discoloration. Shoe trees in here. There is some insole wear. So lace locks and all, a little bit of discoloration. Decent size, 6 youth, pre-grape 5s. There is a Jordan 1, which I will save for last. We got a 6 youth Jordan 7 Retro BG. Oh, cool. This is a good one. Got a pair of Bordeaux 7s. This is one of the best looking 7s ever to release, in my opinion. I think these are due for a retro, because I think the last time the retro was like 2015 or something like that. These are in good shape, just a little bit of outsole wear. Uppers are in good shape. Again, just need a solid cleanup. All these just need a solid cleanup. So there you go. It's a 6 youth and it's a very good shoe. Bordeaux 7s. There's 13 pairs in here. This is crazy. Hopefully this is a good one too. Got a Jordan 1 and a 6 youth. This actually is probably a really good shoe. Whew, it is. Got a pair of top 3s. Top 3 1s, as you can see. They're a combination of the top 3 colorways of an OG Jordan. I mean, Jordan 1s, especially in this kind of size, move. This shoe might actually be probably 2/3 to 75% of the box in terms of value. So insoles are there, shoe trees are there. They just need to clean up. There you go, there's your last shoe out. Top 3 1s, very cool. I mean, that's kind of one of the risks that you take with these lower cost boxes, but let's take a look at the numbers. Yeah, 13 pairs is probably my record for the amount of shoes that have been in a box. But even if these sell at like an average of 40 bucks a pair, that's still good profit. So this actually isn't a bad box in my opinion. It just may take some time because grade school pairs are just harder to move. Hey, if you're interested in purchasing any of these, they will be available on my website today at 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is sbmitch.com. You can check it out. $50 February starts on February 1st. Be sure to follow me on Twitter for details on that, because you're not going to find it on Instagram, because Instagram sucks. Also, codes are back, so if you want to save 10% on your order from Reshoevn8er.com, use the promo code SBMitch10 to save 10% on your order on Reshoevn8er.com, because codes are back. Why not? There's finally incentive for you to actually buy some stuff to clean your sneakers if you really want to. Hey, thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I appreciate it. Remember to take care of each other and to keep sneakers fun, because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.